Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download driver. After that you can see here in the right hand side this is search icon. You have to click on it and then enter your model number of your motherboard. Z790 AORUS Elite, then hit enter. Then click on the product. After that you can see scroll down and this is your motherboard. Just click on it. Then click on support. Select operating system Windows and 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. And first guys download. After that I show you installation. So how to install driver, downloaded driver. So first audio driver. You can see here size, version, date, and you can just click on download. It will start downloading. Chipset, serial driver, and click to download. INF installer and just click to download. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. VGA, Intel VGA driver, you can see it is downloading. You can just click on this icons where it is downloading. You just click on this icons to open it. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back. Then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back. Then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back. Then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver. This is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart, so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.